Hello, in this video I want to show you 5 useful Google Assistant commands on Honor Magic 6 Lite. And let's start with translation, so you can translate anything from one language to another using Google Assistant, and he will also speak out loudly those translations. Let's try it out. Hey Google, translate to Polish, I ate the burger. Next one will be on how to count calories. Hey Google, count calories in a burger.
According to Livestrong, a typical burger contains about 4 ounces of ground beef, which, according to the USDA, is 375 calories.
Okay, next one will be how to call anyone from your contacts. Hey Google, call my mom. And replace mom with somebody else from your contact list. Next one is how to send messages, and you can also say what should be included in the message. Hey Google, send message to my mom, I ate the burger.
Got it. What's
Next one will be on how to find your phone when you lost it somewhere in your room or in your house and you have no idea where it is. You can ask Google with the phrase "Where are you?" or to play any song, and that way it should make a sound and should be easy to find. Hey Google, where are you?
I live in a house built out of pixels. Look how pretty it is.
And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.